Hey, what's going on? Todd Shaw with another episode of the Sawdust Dude. Thanks for watching. Doing some deck washing today, and as you can kind of see, this deck was in really rough shape. But what's the proper way to kind of get your deck all prepped out and ready to go? Well, let's talk about the equipment that you'll need to do some washing. Pretty much just like any kind of pressure washing system. I use this that I just purchased at Lowe's. This is a Craftsman 2800 Maxx. And you don't want something with a lot of pressure. This is very simple. I've used this for about 2 seasons. I've got about, I don't know, 35, 40 cabins that I've done with that pressure washer, and it's worked well. But the reason I say you want to do something with low pressure, I've had to rent pressure washers before, a power washer. And man, I tell you, some of the ones that I get from my buddies over at Horizon Equipment Rental in Woodlawn, Virginia, it's a great machine, but you got to dial that thing down so much. I mean, you could really like blast up the first layer of concrete with it. I mean, these things are pretty powerful. The last thing... And of course my backpack sprayer, I got this at Rural King, and it works out real good. So what kind of product do you use? Well, Sherwin has a good deck cleaner, and it's called Sherwin deck cleaner. Now it does have bleach in it, which you know I don't like using products with bleach in it. I was out of that, and so today I just used the Krud Kutter multi-purpose pressure washing concentrate. Concentrate, yeah. So that's right there. It says bleach free. That's a good thing. I don't smell any bleach in it. So I've got stuff that said bleach free before, and it smelled like bleach, and on my clothes, it bleached my clothes. So liar, liar, pants on fire. But anyway. So we come in, we're washing the deck, and we do the handrails at first, come along here. And what the cleaner does a lot of times is get the loose and damaged stain up off like this. And we'll come through with some 220 sandpaper, just make sure we got all that loose stain or paint off the handrails. These horizontal surfaces really just take a beating. The sun coming down, I guarantee you this is about 140 something degrees right here. And the sun's just kind of like straight up. It's about 1 o'clock. So that really takes a beating. And it's just very, very warm to the touch. So, you know, that's over 100 degrees there. So on horizontal surface, you get a lot of deck stain. I don't care what you use. It's going to only last a couple years, 2 or 3 years. Just because the horizontal surface is like you laying out in the sun. You're just going to get sunburned. Well, this happens here. This is just like when your skin peels. That's exactly what this is like. It's your skin peeling. And also on the deck surfaces here. So we got a pressure washer. We've got our Krud Kutter multi-purpose cleaner, and that's working out real good. And so we go along and just do all the handrails, and I'll do the steps. Now when you're doing the steps, let me show you this. It's best to kind of start from the bottom and work your way up the steps, because here's a pro tip for you. If you come along here and you put your chemical, your soap on steps, you might as well throw a couple banana peels down there too, right? Wow, workman's comp. No. So start from the bottom and work your way up. But be real, real careful, especially these winding stairwells like this. You want to be careful that you don't take a fall. So take your time on the steps. When you get up on the flat surfaces, you can put the hammer down and go a little faster. So making sure we get all the bird poop and everything off like that. I got some overspray which will cover up. And we're going to do the handrails and all the way up here. All right, here's another little product that just saves so much time. You know, you can sit there with your wand and go across the deck boards like you're mopping or sweeping, and that just takes forever. Work smart, not hard. And that's what I really like about this. This is a Briggs and Stratton surface cleaner. This works on decks as well as concrete pads. So this thing saves so much time. I call it a UFO, and it just kind of spins around in these little jets, and it kind of hovers over the surface. You attach it to the end of your wand. We're going to do a little time lapse on it. Attach it to the end of your wand and just go back and forth. Saves so much time. These, I don't know, these are about 40 bucks or under 100 bucks, let's say. This is in 7 years, this is the second one I've had. You can buy some that are more pro version, but this has just always worked for me because I really wasn't sure how it was going to work. Oh, let me tell you, 2 thumbs up on that one, okay? Hey, cool deal. All right, thanks for watching another episode of the Sawdust Dude. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Oh yeah, I'll see you real soon.